Temperature in sector gamma is stable at 31 degrees.
Humidity levels are fluctuating slightly, activating the misters
Port
now.
sealed and delivery confirmed across the bay.
Acknowledged. Initiating retraction sequence now.
Biometrics confirm healthy readings across the board.
The ultrasound shows no
Flow rate on channel 3 is slightly high.
I just adjusted the pressure. It should stabilize now.
Check the flow rate on line 3. Adjusting the pressure now. Looks stable.
Robotic arms carefully guide the skins through the initial pre-treatment phase, ensuring every inch is exposed to the regulated solution.
Humidity levels on line 3, it's spiking again.
I'm compensating now. The airflow should
I have
stabilize.
a fluctuation here.
I see it. Increasing the airflow now. Tension on the automated frame looks stable now.
Yes, the dimensions are uniform across the edges.
The scale pattern analysis is complete. Usable surface area is maximized with this template.
The surface area looks optimal here. We can start the cutting sequence.
Confirmed. The template aligns perfectly with the scale pattern.
Grain on this panel right here.
Yes, I see the inconsistency. Reject.
case. The hue consistency is below tolerance.
Confirmed. Applying the red tag for adjustment.
Check the gradient on lot 7. Confirmed. Applying tag to the handle now.
Seam measurement confirmed, 4.2 millimeters.
The scan data aligns perfectly. We can finalize the report.
Tensile strength on the handle is holding steady at 200 newtons.
Check the compression cycle data from the last
Look at the fluctuation here at the 72-hour mark.
Yes, I see that. Rerunning the analysis now. Moisture absorption is stabilizing at the lower threshold.
Noted. Adjusting the airflow slightly. Confirm the shipment details for the ZJ2000.
Yes, the labels are printing now.
Confirming alignment on sector 4.
Solid and level. The spacing is exact.
All right, retract the unit slowly.
The digital display integrates well with the physical product layout.
Yes, it provides excellent detail without cluttering the aesthetic.
Here is your handbag, sir. Thank you for shopping with us today.
Thank you, it's exquisite.